viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the vehicle guidance technology used in the automated guided vehicles. So let's get into this video. There are three most important methods for the vehicle guidance. They are embedded guide wires, paint strips and self-guided vehicles. The embedded guide wire method consists of a wired sensor is placed on the channel cut in the floor. The channel is typically 1 to 12 mm wide and 11 to 26 mm deep. The guide wire is connected to a frequency generator which emits a low voltage, low current signal with a frequency in the range of 1 to 15 kHz. This induces a magnetic field along the path that can be followed by a sensor on board of each vehicle. This is a vehicle that has a sensor that senses the frequency of the guide wire so that it can follow the path of the wire in a proper way. When the vehicle is located such that the guide wire is directly between the two sensors, on each side of the wheel it has a sensor. These two sensors track the guide wire so that it can follow in a proper way. So this is a method. The two principal methods of making decision are frequency select method and path switch select method. In the frequency select method, the guide wires leading into two separate paths have different frequencies, and path switch select method operates with a single frequency throughout the guide path layout. To control the path of a vehicle at a switch, the power is turned off in all the other branches except the one that the vehicle is to travel on. The guide path layout is divided into blocks that are electrically insulated from each other because the vehicle has to be followed only in the selected paths other than the other departments. The blocks can be turned on and off either by the vehicles themselves or by a certain control computer. Paint strip method. Here the vehicle senses the paint that is followed or pasted on the floor. The strips can be taped, sprayed or painted on the floor. The paint strip contains fluorescent particles reflect the UV light from the vehicle. An onboard sensor detects the reflected light in the strip and controls the steering mechanism to follow it. But it is a disadvantage because the fluorescent paint can damage due to the environmental conditions because it can get peeled off from the floor. So proper checking of the tape or strip is to be performed. Then self-guided vehicles. Vehicles uses a combination of a dead reckoning and beacons. So what is this? It is the capability of a vehicle to follow a given route in the absence of a defined pathway. If you consider a vehicle that moving on a defined pathway, if it's not a pathway in the forward, what happens? AGV onboard computer computes the required number of wheel rotations to accomplish the movement of a vehicle along the route. And beacons, no positions located throughout the plant. Some sensors are located at each place of the industry so that the vehicle uses a triangulation concept, uses their sensor to sense the positions located and performs or analyzes the ways and optimize its performance to optimize its path to go in a proper way. This update the positions calculated by dead reckoning. So these are the vehicle guided systems used in AGVs, friends. So this is a short video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. And finally, thank you for watching.